Then after you will have the indirect speech. Okay, indirect speech. Then after third, there will be passive, active, passive voice. Okay. Then after there will be figures of speech. What is that? Figures of speech. And then after parts of speech. Okay. Part of speech. Then after there will be other things also. For example, homographs will be there. Homographs. Okay. There will be tenses. Okay. Identify the tense. Okay. Then you will have the phrases over there. Okay. Phrases. Then after antonyms. Okay. Antonyms. Then after synonyms. Okay. Askan. Askan. तुम्हें समझ रहा है ना what am I writing on the board? These all things will be there: synonyms, antonyms, phrases, tenses, okay, homographs, clauses, indirect speech, passive voice, then after part of speech, okay. All these grammatical aspects will be there in the exam, okay. Okay, so let me start. I have written what is that, more than 10 points over here, okay. Which do you want me to revise just now in this period? Hello? Hello? Which part you want me to revise just now? Can you tell me? Other boys cannot tell me because they don't have thinking of any kind about their syllabus exam. Askan, at least you are a very yes. Yes. Ready? So yes. Okay, tell me. Okay, so let us take a brief, what is that, revision, okay. How many, yes, I have taught you adverb clauses, now adjective clauses, and one more remains over there. What is that? Can you tell me? Noun clause. Very good. Noun clause. Okay. Now see, I will give you an example. Okay. Noun clause means a clause that gives more information about a noun. Okay. That qualifies noun, that modifies noun. म्हणजे that clause is mainly there because it is giving extra information about the noun. Now let us see. Okay. Whatever you said is not correct. See, what is the sentence? Whatever you said is not correct. Okay, this is the sentence. Can you hear me very well? So boys, see, if let us look at the sentence, let us identify the main verb here. Which is main verb? Said or is? Once again read the sentence, then you will come to know. Whatever you said is not correct. Is a main verb, okay? And said is also verb, but here said is not playing the role of a verb. It is passive in the sentence. Did you understand, or in a simple manner may I tell you? Okay. 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 Completing, see, completing all the work, she went to market. Okay. Now see boys, this is the sentence. Have a look at this sentence. See, completing all the work, she went to market. Okay. Which is the main verb here? Completing all the work, she went to market. Went is the original verb. Okay, actual verb. Completing is also the verb. But which is the main verb? Went. Why? Because now work is not being completed now. Okay, it has been already completed. Okay. Now that completion is not going on. And the work has been already done, completed. And then after she went to market. So is the original verb. Okay. And this is actually verb but not playing the role of a verb. Okay. In the same way, is the original verb. Okay. Now see. You can, those who do not, those who are poor, they will come to know. See, I will make it simplify. Is absolutely correct. What I said? Is it meaningful sentence? Yes, yeah. Just look at this sentence and isolate it, separate it from this sentence. Don't consider this sentence. Just look at this sentence. Is completely correct. Now see. Okay. Askan is absolutely correct. Now is it correct? See, but even if you are going to remove Askan, it will be correct, meaning point of view. Okay. Now Askan and remaining boys, see there, don't forget this rule I am telling you. Okay. Hello. There cannot be a sentence without verb. We cannot make a sentence, maybe it is small or big, without verb. Verb is the base of the sentence. Okay. There can be verb without noun, without subject, but there cannot be sentence without verb. Okay. May I simplify? Now see, I will write another sentence. Askan and Mumbai. Now see, is a subject, is a object. Just consider these two words. Can we call it as a sentence? Askan Mumbai, what happened? Is it meaningful? Can we just keep Askan? No. We cannot use just Mumbai. Okay. These both are useless, meaningless. Now see, I will make it meaningful. Askant went to Mumbai. Is it meaningful? So verb is very, very important. Okay. Now see, I will give you another sentence. Okay. Now see, give up. What I said, just give up. Okay. I say shut up. Okay. Is it meaningful? Yes. Is there any subject? No. Is there any object? No. जस्ट गिव अप यार. गिव अप का मतलब है छोड़ दो यार, जाने दो. ओके. ये सिर्फ एक ही वर्ब है लेकिन मीनिंगफुल है. अंडरस्टैंड. ना इसको सब्जेक्ट की जरूरत है ना ऑब्जेक्ट की. अंडरस्टैंड. इट डजंट रिक्वायर सब्जेक्ट, इट डजंट रिक्वायर ऑब्जेक्ट. सो वर्ब इज द टॉप मोस्ट. वर्ब इज सुप्रीम. ओके. Now see, there once again listen. There can be a sentence without subject, without object, but there cannot be sentence without verb. Understand? Come to the point. We were talking about it is the original verb. Is said is also verb, but saying has already been done, completed. Whatever you said means that person has already said. He is not saying now. Okay. So but whatever you said, just consider this sentence. Okay. Is it meaningful? So what is it? It is subordinate clause. Okay. But where it is? It is, where is the place of this clause? Generally, what comes at the beginning? Subject or noun, okay? You is a noun. Maybe it is pronoun or noun, okay? Okay? So, is not correct is a main clause. हमें एग्जाम में बताना होता है कि मेन क्लॉज कौन सा है, ये नहीं बताना है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज कौन सा है. ओके. नाउ सी, इज अ वर्ब एंड is a object. Okay. And is a subject. Subject can be a noun. Okay. Most of the time it is noun. Okay. So because this clause is at the place of noun, it is noun clause. Okay. It is giving us whatever you said. Okay. It is noun clause. So actually it is the subject of the verb. Which type it is? Subject of the verb. There are 3, 4, 5 types are there in the noun clause. Okay. It is noun clause, but under the noun clause it is subject of the verb. What is that? नहीं समझ रहा है ना. May I give you once again sentence? Askant went. See, now it is verb, but this verb is, okay, is a subject. This is the subject of the verb went. Okay. To Mumbai. So Mumbai is a object. Okay. But it is the object of the verb. Both are dependent. Subject and object both are dependent on the verb. Okay. Because this part of the sentence was meaningful, it was main clause. Because this part was not completely meaningful, it was a subordinate clause. But it is at the place of subject. Okay, जहां पे सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए था उसी जगह पे ये क्लॉज है, इसलिए दैट वाज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ब. ओके, नाउ अनदर सेंटेंस आई विल गिव यू. They purchase and they purchased a flat, whatever it may cost. Okay, now see, they purchased a flat. Is it meaningful? Yes, no, it's a subject, it's a verb, and it's a object. What did they purchase? A flat. Okay, now see, it's a main clause. Because it is meaningful, it is a main clause. Okay, and this part, whatever it may cost, कितनी भी उसकी कीमत हो, उन्होंने क्या किया? फ्लैट ले लिया. ओके, खरीद ले लिया. ओके, कितनी भी उसकी कीमत हो, ये सेंटेंस जो वट एवर इट मे कॉस्ट इज नॉट मीनिंगफुल, इट्स अ सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. ओके, ओके, but because it is verb, it is subject they, and it is remaining all that is object. It is the object of the verb. What is that? Second type of noun clause. What is that? Object of the verb. And first type, that was the subject of the verb. What is that? Subject of the verb is the first type. First sub type of noun clause, and another that was object of the verb. First subject of the verb, second object of the verb. Okay, now I am telling you the third sentence. Okay, being a doctor, no. Let me give you another sentence. There. They were not happy with whoever they had. Okay, now see, they were not happy, main clause. Okay, where is a verb? Okay, is the subject. Okay, now see, if it is a verb, okay, remaining clause is, see, look at this, you will find that it is not independent, meaningful. With whoever they had, किसके साथ भी हो, वो खुश नहीं थे. Okay, so you just take it separately, you will find it is meaningless. With whoever they had, it's an object. Okay, but it has started with the preposition. Okay, that's why it is the object of the preposition. Third type, what is that? Object of preposition. Okay, because the object has started with the preposition. Okay, Askan, did you understand? Because it had started with the preposition, it is, what is that?